this last flood impacted so negatively on our people. Some of them were in IDP camps and they couldn't feed, were getting text messages and all of that. So, NDDC has responded, and I'm pleased to announce to us today that apart from the palliatives for the flood victims, now I must say this, Rivers State is a very organized state. Ideally, we should take these palliatives to the affected communities. But we found out that Rivers State has an organized structure. There is a committee that knows the nooks and crannies of all the affected people. So we felt it would be better for that committee to handle the distribution of these palliatives. Otherwise, we would have taken these palliatives directly to the people, but we trust the structure Rivers State has put on ground. And for that reason, we have brought the palliatives. I will just go through them. They consist of food items, rice, about 3,000 bags of rice, noodles, about 1,500 cartons, beans, 3,000 bags of beans, curry, 3,000 bags of curry, salt. The 1 kg bag, we have over 450. Milk, we have about 150 cartons. Milo, another 150 cartons. Sugar, 450, and so on and so forth. Okay. We also have non-food items like nylon mats, because those people who live in the IDPs, they need that. We have about 1,500. Treated mosquito nets, we have another 1,500. Bathing soap, we have another 1,500 of that. Mattresses, we have about 750. Blankets, pillows, slippers, and all of that. Okay. This is not happening in Rivers State alone. When we go there, the worst hit states during the flood were Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers. But we have also made sure some areas in the other states, the mandate states that were affected by flood in small capacity, we will also reach out to them. Okay, and in addition to all of it, we also decided to take the opportunity to donate to the Rivers State government these 2-number ambulance vehicles. They are brand new. And of course, the generators and some other items, digital X-ray machines, ultrasound scanning machine, and so on and so forth.